Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing why one AirPod Pro side is silent. Check audio balance on your iPhone under Settings, Accessibility, Audio/Visual, and confirm balance rests in the middle. Inspect the affected AirPod for earwax and debris. Use a soft, dry brush or cotton swab and clean for about 60 seconds. Next, place both AirPods in the case and close the lid. Open the Bluetooth widget and verify both left and right show charging for at least 5 minutes. If the balance and cleanliness check did not fix the issue, reset and reconnect the AirPods. Open Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon and choose Forget this device. Press and hold the Case Setup button for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. With the case open and near your iPhone, follow the on-screen pairing prompts to reconnect. To ensure full functionality, place the case on charge and keep it near the paired iPhone for 30 minutes to allow firmware updates. If the problem continues, perform advanced troubleshooting and consider repair options. Test the AirPods with another device, such as an Android phone or iPad, to isolate whether the issue is device-specific. Check for signs of physical or water damage. If present, stop using the AirPod and seek professional service. If still muted after cleaning and resets, contact Apple support to schedule diagnostics. Prepare your serial number and purchase information before service. Follow their guidance for mail-in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.